Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have the app and permissions. Now sign in with your work or school account. This ties meetings to your calendar. Once signed in, make sure Calendar Sync is enabled so invites appear. If you use multiple accounts, choose the correct one before joining. Also check Wi-Fi or cellular signal and keep battery above 20%. These first steps prevent access and audio issues later, so do them now and move to scheduling or joining immediately. Open the meeting invite and tap Join a minute or two early so you can test audio and camera. On the pre-join screen, pick speaker output, microphone input, and front or rear camera. Toggle camera off if privacy is needed. You can apply background blur or an image to hide surroundings. If audio sounds poor, switch to a wired headset or Bluetooth and choose low bandwidth video in settings. Once comfortable, tap Join Now. You're in and visible or muted as intended. When it's time to present, tap More, then Share and pick Screen to show apps or PowerPoint to present slides directly. Grant screen record permission when prompted. Use the chat for links and files and the raise hand feature for orderly questions. If you must record, confirm host permissions first. After the meeting, tap Leave to exit or end meeting if you're the organizer. If audio or video fail, restart the Teams app, toggle permissions in iPhone settings, and rejoin. That usually resolves permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.